just arrived from B&H. The Fujinon 18 to 55. This is the E-mount only, made especially, I guess, for the FS7. Here we go. Alright, let's see, got a little bit of a little carrying bag. I think it's a carrying bag. Wasn't that fancy? Okay. Carrying bag or Halloween costume? You pick. You pick. Manual. Oops. Sorry. Not really. Looking through the camera here. Let's see what this box has. Ah, good. Comes with a lens hood. Thing I was a little concerned about. Wasn't sure what it came with. Came with the lens hood. Sorry. Lens hood with a lens cap. This little guy, I have a feeling this is a riser. The lens support maybe. And no. These are maybe, I don't know what these are. Could they be for zooming? Little zoom handle, maybe? Various sizes? I don't know. That is definitely a classic Fuji knob for a zoom. Cabrio came with a slightly larger one than that. Alright, so I got this lens to shoot 2 camera shoots. But just basically a cheaper, much cheaper than another Cabrio, which is the main lens I use on the FS7. Okay, nicely wrapped. Silica gel. Lots of Japanese writing. Paper. Not foam. Alright. And here's the lens. Nicely wrapped. It's extremely light. Feels like about what you would expect for the price. Look at that flange depth. It's practically the thickness of a piece of paper. Let's see, macro switch. It's feeling a little plasticky. There it is, 18 to 55. That's about as good as it gets for this price range. And, alright, front element, another lens cap. Pretty tight front element. And that's it. The Fujinon 18 to 55 unboxing.